If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and click on all so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let's see how to raise a missing cashback on Cashkaro app. If you haven't watched a previous video regarding how to install, how to create an account and how Cashkaro works, please go and check, and also to download the app, the link is given in the description box. Kindly check that also. So let's get started. Yeah, so this is how the Cashkaro looks. So today we are going to see how to raise a missing cashback ticket, right? So there are two ways to raise cashback tickets. So the first step I'll let you know. You can see recent clicks here. Click on it. Now here you will be able to check the status and transactions that you have made since last 10 days. Okay, the transactions like the stores you have visited or the items you have purchased in the last 10 days, you can see over here. Okay, next, so now here, if suppose I'm just showing for Mamaearth. Okay, so I just clicked on it one day ago. So here, if in case I don't get my cash back, I'll go to Mamaearth or whatever app you have searched for or you bought the items for. Okay, I'll click on Mamaearth, click on raise ticket. Now here you can see the date of transaction. Okay, so the day which you brought, okay, the items, like if suppose you brought it on 11th May, so you will see the date of transaction as 11th May. If you brought it on 10th May, then you have to go and check if like there will be a Mamaearth download. So yeah, for whatever app you used for buying the things, you can see the apps down. So like that you have to see, like from the past 10 days whatever you have brought, you can raise a cashback ticket. So here I brought on 11th, so I'll click on raise ticket. Okay, so the retailer name is Mamaearth. Okay, transaction details. Now here you can see on what time did you purchase the item. Okay, next, details. Here at first you have to enter the booking ID, order ID or booking ID. This you can find in the orders history. Okay, in the orders history there will be a order number that you have to paste as it is. Next is order amount excluding GST. Even if you include GST and send like the original amount, for example, the original amount which you paid for is 900, but excluding GST it can be 890 or 870. Okay, so you can enter as 870 or else the whole amount 890 you can enter. While they provide cashback or the rewards, they will exclude the GST and then they will issue the reward for you. So don't worry about the excluded GST amount and all. What is the total amount, that also you can enter. Next is items purchased. Now here you have to write how many items did you purchase, 1 2 3, okay, and so on. Now next is upload attachments. In this you have to do, what you have to do is go to your order history. You have to take a screenshot of the product you bought. Okay, you can see in the my order section. Okay, in that you will be able to see the product details, the amount and everything. Okay, then they will be sending it to the retailer. Like if now I'm doing it for Mamaearth. Okay, so my retailer is Mamaearth. So Cashkaro team will be sending that screenshot and the mail to Mamaearth team, and then Mamaearth team will issue the cashback for you. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, if suppose you're doing it for Amazon, Cashkaro will send it to Amazon retailer, okay, from which whom you brought the product. They'll send it to them. They will issue the cashback or rewards and it will come into your account. Okay, so you even there can be a option of download invoice. You can also download that and upload here. Okay, either screenshot or invoice. So after doing that, you can submit it. Now the second way is you have to go to profile, missing cashback. Okay, here you can see that I have raised few missing cashbacks, so I have got it resolved, so no issues. Okay, now if you're new here, you will be able to see directly the page where you can raise a cashback. Okay, yeah, so here you can read that please note that the retailers accept missing cashback claims only within 10 days from the date of transaction. So you have to make a note or keep a track on the items you purchased. If you didn't get a cashback, you have to raise it as soon as possible, like within, like Amazon rewards get into your account within 72 hours. If not, there can be chances, because most of my Amazon products, like I didn't get a cashback at the right time, so I had to raise a cashback ticket. So make sure you're on track and you raise the ticket on time. Okay, you shouldn't get delayed by 10 days. Okay, within 10 days of your purchase, you have to go and raise a ticket if you didn't get the cashback. Okay, so here you can, I got so many issues resolved, that's why I can see this page. Okay, so click on add ticket. Now for those who are new, you will get a page directly this way. Okay, you won't get an option for add ticket and all, you will directly get an option this way. So you have to select date of transaction. Now here you can see it's 12th May today, and you can only see till 2nd May. You can, like, from 2nd to 12th, that's the only days where you can apply the missing cashback ticket, because it's already mentioned that within 10 days of your purchase you have to raise a cashback ticket. So that's why it's this way. You can't click on first. See, first is faded. So from 2nd to 12th, like within 10 days, if you raise a cashback, you will be able to do it. Okay, suppose my date is 2nd May. Okay, now here you can select whichever retailer you brought from. Okay, next is transaction details. Okay, wait, I'll click on Amazon. Okay, now you can see on 2nd May I did a transaction. Okay, again the same thing, order ID, amount excluding or including GST, items purchased, like how many items did you purchase, 1, 2 or 3, upload attachments, that means the thing which I told, screenshot or invoice, and choose the file and submit. That's it. Okay, so there can be instances where you forgot to raise cashback, I mean forgot to raise the complaint within 10 days, it got extended, like it's 11th or 12th day. Okay, there situations we don't know, like who goes through which situation. So there can be chances that it will, like it will get out of your mind, and you will suddenly realize after the 10th day. Then you have a way to raise a cashback ticket. Okay, you have to send email to the Cash Karo team. So that's how I'll show. That's the third way. Okay, so you can see the option sorry you can see the option contact us. Click on that. Now here your name and your email ID will be appearing. I can't show my name and my email ID. Okay, so your name and your email ID will be appearing, the registered email ID with Cash Karo. Okay, then after that you can see your message here. Okay, you can type your hi team, so I have brought so and so product on so and so date and I need a cashback. All this you can enter, and you can click on submit. That the thing which you submit over here directly directs with your mail. Okay, so it will go from your mail ID to the Cash Karo team, and then Cash Karo team will be keeping updating you. Like they normally reply within 48 hours. If in case they don't reply, you can escalate. You can again ask on that mail itself that hi team, is there any update or anything. So okay, so I hope you guys understood this video. Guys, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button and click on all so that you don't miss any further updates from us. Also, if you have any kind of queries, you can DM us on Instagram and on Twitter. I have linked down the socials down below. Also I am posting the screenshot over here. You can go and follow us and text us anytime you want, and we will be always ever ready to help you. So until next time, goodbye, stay safe.